we are still live at the Grand Arena, and I'm here with the beautiful and ever talented Akiana. Hi, Akiana. Hi, Michelle. How are you? Amazing. Like, I was so excited to see you. So, what are your expectations for tonight?
I'm here to see who wins the Artist of the Year, and I'm here to also support my best friend, Sister Pia. I really want her to win the, best highlight Artist of the Year. So yeah.
Okay, so you really want Sister Pia to pick up an award tonight?
Yes, that's my best friend, and she's so good. She's got good music.
Who are you vouching for tonight?
Kim Promise.
Okay. Can we hear that again?
Kim Promise.
Why Kim Promise though? I love Kim Promise, by the way, but why Kim Promise?
He's really worked so hard over the years. Trust me, everybody sees how hard working he is, and I think it's about time they give him his flowers. Yeah.
All right, Akiana, thank you so much for talking to me.
Thank you for having me.
I hope to talk to you later.
Again.
Enjoy your evening.